How can you make money investing in real estate? Over the years, people have gotten their start in real estate investing in various ways. Some people have rented part of their homes. They've lived with family members so they can save a little bit extra money. And whatever it is they've done, it's been absolutely worth it. And in today's video, we're going to go over a few different tactics and a few different strategies so that you can actually build wealth in real estate. Once you decide to invest, there are 3 different ways you can take your investment. The first strategy is buy and hold. This is more of a long-term strategy. You may be looking to purchase your primary residence, and then over time, as your property appreciates and you pay down your loan, you will have that equity inside of the home. The second strategy is fairly common too, and that strategy is called flipping. A lot of flippers, as we call them, will buy properties for cheap. They'll do some renovations to it and they'll sell the property for a profit. Now, if you're going to choose this strategy, you have to be careful because you have to be able to buy it right, and you also have to be able to gauge how much the renovations are going to cost. If you're going to use this strategy, you really got to understand what renovations cost, so that in the end you do make sure that you make a good profit. The final strategy is short-term and long-term rentals. You could rent your property out to a tenant on a long-term basis and they can pay off the loan, or you can rent your property out on a third-party website like VRBO or Airbnb, and you could actually make a lot more cash flow doing it this way. Whatever the property is that you're looking at to do this kind of strategy with, you do want to make sure that you're looking at the laws, because some restrictions prohibit short and long-term rentals, and you also want to maybe look at doing a property in a desirable location. And the strategy here is to have a tenant pay off your mortgage, and then at the end your loan is paid off, and hopefully you've got some appreciation at that point. So those are the 3 strategies that you can use for investing. It's Rupesh Patel, and hope you enjoyed this video. And if I can answer any questions about any of these strategies, feel free to reach out, drop me a line, and thanks for watching.